Breathe heavily. No, you're focusing on your chest while breathing. Like, no, that's not correct. Yeah, that was correct. But how do you do when you get tired? Suppose that you play so much and you got tired. How will you do that? Just like this? Yes, this one. Everything takes time. You have to keep patience, and especially alphabet of every language takes time. But we will cover all of them within 4 days, just 4 days. And inshallah, you will write in these 4 days and you will understand and recognize all of them as well. We will give you the dots. Okay, you will have to write on these letters. Let me show you how. New slide. We will start from right side in Arabic language, from right up. Then we will go down. Then we will make it curved like this. We'll curve it. Then straight like this. And then we will curve it again. Then we'll go up like this. Okay, and it's a dot here. Ba has a single dot. Do it like this, as I'm doing. Yes. I told you before a while, really, it's very simple word. And in Arabic language, we can say really haqqan. Haqqan. When you see ha with a single dot down here. Now let me test you. What is this? Tell me.
Jeep.
No. Okay. This was cursor.
Ha.
Yes, it's ha. It was cursor. Cursor, just a cursor. Because I put this one over here, it looks like a gym, obviously. Okay. Okay. Good afternoon, Inosh. Your mic is off.